Hello everyone, so how's everyone been doing? Today I am going to take out Lenormand cards and the combination of runes. Today I would love to work with Lenormand cards and runes, or maybe this week, to see how your day is going to be. So let's pick one card first. If I'm guided, I'll pick more. Okay, now that's a beautiful card starting with mountain. Though it's a beautiful card, I see some images here. I don't know if you all are able to see, and I feel this is a card which is showing that there's a blockage. It is a trouble or some trouble which is happening with you today. It can also mean that there is something which is not right, and because of which the blocks is happening. But it can also indicate that today the day is going to be a little hard or a little troublesome. So let's pull another one card to see what can be done. Okay, now we need to sail through, right? Whether the day is hard, whatever it is, even if our days are hard, sometimes we just need to sail through it. Sometimes we just need to understand that, okay, today is not the day for us, but at the end of the day, we just need to sail through. And if you keep that in your mind, this beautiful ship will help you to embark on this day for a beautiful journey, a journey which will not only remove all these troubles, which will also make you to take choices as to how to overcome these troubles and how to be successful. So I feel, though you feel the way the day is starting with troubles, as the day goes, you will make up your mind that no, I don't know. I am just going to go with the flow, and I am going to see to it that the day is successful. Now, as I said, today I shall be working on my rune cards along with the Lenormand cards. Let's see what the rune is saying. Okay, now that's a beautiful card, Gebo. So this card has come just to say that you will be getting everything generously the way you want. It can also mean that open your heart, be positive, because see, the card said obstacles. Now this is saying just open your heart and be positive, and just understand one thing, that there's a lot of joy, gift and gratitude, and there's a lot of beautiful energies coming your way. So you will be able to work successfully if you decide to be positive, and if you decide to overcome the obstacles or let go of the worries that the obstacles are giving you. Okay, so now that we have got the indication that everything is going to go well the way we have planned, let's see what is the affirmation of today. Okay, so it says that there's a change of residence, partner, career or job. You're restless. So again, overall, all the cards are somewhere indicating the same answers, that there are obstacles. But I would say one thing, today do this affirmation 11 times. I am ready for the change because the change is for my good. I am ready for the change because the change is for my good. Say that 11 times. Today, I would suggest to wear something of light green. Why light green? Because the light green will heal you continuously and help you to overcome the obstacles that you're having. Also, in the morning, just burn a lamp and tell the universe, today, good or bad, I dedicate it to you, and I'm sure that you're only going to do good things or bring good things in my life. So I hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings. Thank you all, and have a blessed and a great day ahead.